Better at trading as well. Because, I mean, I've been trading since I was freshman in high school. Yeah. And so, now there's just these videos that I'm gonna be posting or trying to post. This is the first video. I'm just gonna slowly just back test and then later get more comfortable into recording my videos and you start posting them. And so, but all I use is how to make it where's text. So all I use as of now, I used to trade a lot like OTE and all this other stuff, but I narrowed it down to just PO3, SMT, SSMT, sequential SMT, and that's it really. And oh yeah, QT, quarterly theory, and yeah, I mean I'm just getting into sequential SMT and uh quarterly theory. I knew a little bit of it, but I didn't really get into it as much. But I'm not here to give free sauce. I mean, you can learn on YouTube. It's all free there. And then sometimes I just use midnight opens and key openings, but that depends on if it's given to me. But I'm just gonna back test, see what I was doing, what I could be doing better. But let's see. Where's ESMYM? We have no SMT. Actually, no. This is sorry. Whoopsies. Yeah, no. We need to go back here. If it lets me. Okay. So 9:30. Let's look at the higher time frame. This is so we did have a SIBI on the daily time frame. Weekly tapped into liquidity void. Usually I just go to the higher time frame to the lower time frame like daily 4 1 15 5 or 15 and 1, but I just try to see what there is. Usually if there's like a higher time frame busier SIBI above or below us and we're like kind of pushing up to it, I would I would target it, but I wouldn't really target fully. It just depends on what the market gives me and what's happening on that day, if there's news or no news. Because usually, if there's no news, it sometimes just doesn't do nothing. But we have that above us. Um, let's see. No SMT. So like news, probably news on 7:15. We are also respecting this, but I would just wait till 9:30, maybe 10, to see what price gives us. See. So this, yes, so we do have sequential SMT here, right? Let me see. Actually, it'll be more in the 1 minute. I'm sorry. That'd be in the 5 minute would be a 90 minute cycle. So, I mean, yeah, YM is higher than NQ as well as ES as of now. But we can see ES is pushing a little bit higher. If it breaks those highs, only NQ is respecting these highs here. So it's 930 here. Okay, so NQ broke its highs, ESYM. So the sequential SMT wouldn't really work here. You can honestly say I think I remember this day too. This would be sequential SMT if you were looking for longs, just because we had this um, ES and YM was respecting its lows, NQ broke its lows. Then maybe on like I mean, depending on how you play, how I play, I probably would have gotten in when market opened when we went into this 15-minute here, and then just targeted these equal highs here. But I'll probably just wait for it. I mean, you can wait again, see what it does, but immediately just goes lower, and then we just respect this 15-minute here. But again, this was like a AMD. I think the 30-minute, we can try to see if there's, oh yeah, it's right here. This is a weekly. So you can see push higher, and then we're going back close lower. So it'll be bearishness. So I would want to see a retracement somehow. Targeting previous. No, this would be a low day. That would have been an entry, but it's just too low for me. Yeah, that's too low for me. I mean, I could have, but we could see that there's no really good plays except this long here off of market open. I just need to get better at just realizing and looking. Because, I mean, and this video is just mainly for me. It's not to like, oh, this and that, but just to try to get better at trading and using tips. And no, yeah, I'm not going to change my trading strats or not whatnot. Just keep it the same. No need to overdo it. Keep it simple. Because if you try to implement other things, then you just get you just be looking at everything. It's not good. I mean, it happens to me. When I started trading, I would look at many things, this and this, strategies from other people, Discord gurus. I mean, it worked for a couple of times, couple of trades, but like after a while, I'm like, oh, this won't work. Maybe if I kept going with it, it would have kept working. Because anything works, to be honest. It depends on how you see it. But you can see that. Yeah, I took these lows, ran it lower. 10 hasn't even opened yet, so we can wait till 10. See what 10 does. I think one thing I need to stop doing is looking at the 1 minute as well. I tend to just see in the 1 minute, stay on the 1 minute. It's not good. So we did have a reaction off of midnight open. But would I like, let me see actually. I think this is, let me see. Okay, so we have 4 and a 4 hour FEG. Fuck. So let's see. SMT anywhere. So sorry, I'm just no. I'll probably just wait still. Nothing there. Didn't tap this. No lows. Here's 1 minute. IFUG. Kept going lower. Decided to break this low. But what time is it? It's 11:45, 44. Sequential SMT, none. 90 minute. Yeah. I'm gonna try this. It lets me. Limit. Maybe I could wait, but stop at these lows. Confirm. Now this probably target these highs here. To be honest. All right. I mean, it could go higher. I mean, if I looked higher, I could target I could target here, this, or 4 hour into um this up here, this daily. I could mark this actually so it's easier. A daily up here, but I mean, this was yeah, like yeah. I mean, we could probably just wait and see. Again, if I was in this trade, I mean, yeah, it would just be yeah. No, it's already yeah. But we got 7 up. But I mean, yeah. I mean, I'm just trying to simple my trades, not try to get the highest RR, the highest points. Is look for it, be patient, wait, take it. Because usually I'm used to impatient sometimes. I would try to get in whenever there's a big move, FOMO, but after a while, I tell myself I shouldn't really think like that. Neither anyone else, trading. You just have to make it simple. Even you think it's like the hardest thing ever. It's not rocket science, really. Only if you make it like it. Um, but yeah, no, I mean, that was just one trade. I want to keep going, but I'll have to see some other. Yeah, but I mean, yeah, it was 90 minutes. It's like I think it'd be. I can't really recall. I have to. I'm still getting used to it. Used to that sequential SMT. Because I'm learning from YouTube videos and just little information. But I've used it. It works for me on my evals and fundeds, but I just want to get better at you know trading. Is really trading and just psychology. Because usually I'm just always not confident in trades because I don't have a bias behind my trade. Sometimes I don't. So it's just getting like this here. Me talking through this, I wouldn't really be doing this. I'll be just looking. Okay, we have this 15-minute something here. Sequential. Yes. Right. Yeah, we sequential SMT here. Market open. Probably enter immediately. We took this NQ low here. And then target these equal highs. That would have been my a trade if I saw it. I don't think I took this one to be exact. I think I took a short, if I can recall. I just don't remember where here. Like I didn't even take this long here. Like till now I saw this. Try could wait for the 5 minute, but we can see here there was a 4 hour FEG here. And I open, wait for this 1 minute, tapped it, stops with these lows, target these recent highs. I mean, and that's it. Or the 15-minute PDA here, which we tapped into it. And then we created SMT as well. Not sequential though, because it's the same cycle. Yeah, the fourth cycle. We were both in this 90 minute fourth cycle. But overall, it is SMT. It's just not. Um, what was the word? The highest SMT, if you say. But no, I mean, this is just the video. Till next time.